MX Controller is optimized for PLC-open motion control programming, utilizing function blocks, allowing you to simplify and standardize programming. The integrated engine is optimized for the PLC-open function blocks, ensuring ultra-fast processing speed, even for complex motion systems. Speaking of such, often it is difficult to replicate a mechanical system with just a generic function block. This is why we have plenty of vendor-specific function blocks. One of it is an advanced synchronous control function block, basically the programming representation of a mechanical crankshaft, allowing you to quickly connect all necessary access and make adjustments in just one function block. And the beloved graphical representation that was heavily used in our previous motion models, of course, will be implemented as well. With that, you will be the expert conductor of the servo-axle synchronization orchestra. One tool to do it all, elevating your programming platform to the next level. Accelerating development and ease of use in mind, our programming tool also got a boost. You now only require one tool, embedding motion and sequence programming into one tool. Contact us today and learn how the MX controller and our factory automation ecosystem can help you build the future.